guys, I'm Joya and welcome back to my channel.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
So I've been meaning to get into more gym type of content on this channel because that is a big part of my life. So today I'm going to be showing you guys 3 of my favorite easy hairstyles to do before going to the gym. So I don't know if you guys can tell, maybe not, but my hair definitely needs a wash today after my gym session. So these hairstyles are perfect for when it's your like last day before you need to wash your hair, but you want to get to the gym, but you don't want to look, you know, like you just woke up. But you can also do them on fresh and clean hair as well. So this first hairstyle might not work for everyone, for every hair type. All you need for this hairstyle is a claw clip. So I know that these clips don't work for everyone. Surprisingly, even though this one is really small, it still fits all of my hair in, and I'm gonna show you guys how. But there's so many different types of clips you can get. You can get bigger ones to fit all your hair if you have a lot of hair. If you have longer hair than me, thicker hair, coarser hair, whatever the case may be. I just love this hairstyle because it's so quick. It literally takes 2 minutes once you get the hang of it. And when I'm rushing to get to the gym and I only have a few minutes to get ready, this is my go-to. I always like to leave a couple pieces in the front. I'll just leave like 2 thin pieces. I know this one is shorter than the other. I don't know why, okay? I usually end up putting my hair behind my ears anyway, but when I wanna leave them out, I can leave them out. If I wanna put them back, I can put them back. And I gather all of my hair. I think I'm gonna turn to the back so you guys can see. Grab all of your hair at the bottom and just start twisting it like this and bring it all the way to the top. Then grab your claw clip and just put it at the very bottom part and then fluff out the top however you like. So it should look something like this. The only downside with this one, as you can tell from the side and like from the top, it's not really super full. If you have thicker, longer hair, this might not be the case for you, but if you have kind of medium-ish finer hair and it's not super long, it kind of might look just a little bit flat, which is not a problem. Sometimes I really don't care, but if you want it to look a little bit more full, I got you. This one is going to be a little bit more difficult than the first one. You're gonna want to split your hair in 2. It doesn't have to be exact or anything, like exactly in half. So you're gonna want to take the first section and twist it just like the first time I showed you guys. And then hold on to that section and then take the next one, twist it and bring it to the top together. This is easier with a bigger claw clip. I just have this one, so I'm gonna try to make it work. But you're going to clip your hair at the bottom, like so. Try to bring it all together and fluff out your hair. It's going to be just a little bit more even on both sides. I'm going to try to put a side by side to show you guys the first technique versus this technique. How it looks from the back. If you don't really care, do whichever is easiest for you. I find the first one to be easier, so I do that most of the time. But if I'm just feeling like I want to add a little bit of extra something, I'll do this technique. So for the second hairstyle, you're just going to need 2 hair ties. I like to use these hair bobbles instead of regular hair ties sometimes, especially when I'm not ready to wash my hair yet. These don't leave any kinks or anything in your hair, so when you want to take down your hair looks not that different to before. And they also don't rip out my hair when I'm trying to take them out like other hair ties do. So first thing you want to do, put your hair in a ponytail. I don't like to put it too high, but I don't like to put it too low, so kind of almost right in the middle. You can tie it as tight or as loose as you want. If you want a more messy look, just tie it a little bit looser. If you want a messy but still a little bit put together, or you're going to be doing a lot of cardio that day at the gym and you want your hair to stay up, tie it a little bit tighter. A lot of the times for the gym, even if I'm not doing cardio, which I don't really do excessive cardio that much anyway, I like to tie it a little bit tighter because even if it's not going to fall out, I just hate that feeling of my hair being loose and then I have the urge to fix it every 5 seconds. So yeah, I tie it a little bit tighter. So once again, I'm gonna show you guys from the back for this next part. You have your second hair tie. Now you're going to twist your hair again. Twist it almost up to the very top and hold it up like this. Grab your second hair tie and grab the base of the ponytail. And I like to wrap my ponytail like 2 or 3 times around so you create a little bit of a bun and then just fluff out the top. Just keep messing with it until you get the fluffiness that you like. So it should look a little bit something like this. As you can see, this is what it looks like when you're looking from the front. I feel like this reminds me of that 90s type of hairstyle that girls would do with straight hair when their hair would be like sticking up from the bun. This is my curly version of that. So this adds a little bit of extra something than just doing a regular bun with 2 pieces in the front. I feel like it just adds a little more spice. So the next and last hairstyle is similar to the one before this, except it has an all slicked back look. This is one of my favorite hairstyles to do when I truly am on my last day that my hair can go without washing it, and I just need to slick it back before the gym, before I can wash it. So I usually like to keep my hair in a middle part, especially for this hairstyle. I feel like it just looks better with the middle part, but you can have a side part, whatever part, no part. This is just how I like to do it. First thing I like to do is spray down my hair with water, just so it's easier to brush out, especially these front pieces over here. And I also spray the back of my head as well, especially on the bottom. I like to take a brush like this, and I just try to gently brush out my hair, and I brush the back as well. Next step, I always like to add some gel. This is the Eco Styling Gel. I just grab a generous amount on my hand. I don't even know if you could see that. And then I just kind of start putting it all over my head. And then once again, just brush out my hair. Now with this hairstyle, I do like to use just regular hair ties, just so I can get my hair really sleek against my head. So for this one, we're gonna be putting into it another ponytail, just like this, somewhere in the middle. Typically, I do need to brush my hair multiple times to get it as sleek as I want to. Notice how I still have the middle part. I like to kind of brush up into the side. Typically, when I do this, my hair stays in the middle part for whatever reason. If your hair doesn't, take 2 front pieces from the front of your head, leave them out, and put your hair in a ponytail, and then bobby pin them back up, so that way you keep that middle part. So now I've put my hair up in the ponytail. It's not looking super perfect. There are some bumps, but I'm going to fix that with some gel and some bobby pins. So next step, I'm gonna take more gel and just put more gel all around my hair, especially these parts right here. They do not want to stay up ever, so I have to gel those down. Then I like to take some bobby pins and pin wherever there's still flyaways or any bumps. Usually on the sides over here, I like to still pin them up with a bobby pin because I know they're gonna fall later anyway. And then I'll go in with my gel and a toothbrush and just slick back the pieces at the front of my head. I'm gonna show you guys from the front now. So take your hair, twist it, wrap it around, take your second ponytail, wrap it around the bun you just created, and then fluff out the top. So then this is what it ends up looking like from the back. It looks just like the one I just showed you guys, except the front is slicked back now. So yeah, there you have it. These are my 3 go-to hairstyles for the gym. I really want to do some more gym content for you guys, whether that be my gym outfits, more gym hairstyles, my workouts, things like that. Just let me know what you guys want to see down below. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!